Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make underscore line the same length in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make underscore line. Go to the Insert menu. Select the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many line shape. Now I select the solid line. Then press shift on our keyboard and draw the line perfectly. Now we want to make this line multiple. Press right button on our mouse and click copy, then paste inside. Now we can see we insert 4 line. Then press shift on our keyboard and select the multiple lines. And go to the shape format menu. Select the align option and choose align center. And go back again this option and select distribute vertically. Now we can see we make the underscore line the same length very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.